If you want to make your homemade Viagra, you will need the main ingredients, which are very often available in grocery stores. These ingredients are very potent aphrodisiacs. Viagra is a powerful drug for men that is utilized to increase sexual function and performance. Not many people know the secret that it can also be made at home. What you need: watermelon, pomegranate. Some people add the juice of a lemon, water, blender, glass, strainer. So use twice as much watermelon as pomegranates, and the juice of 1 lemon. This can be 1/4 watermelon and 1 pomegranate. Mix them together in the blender. You can then strain if you want smooth juice, but eating the seeds and such might help the erection. Try it both ways. Some men can eat just the watermelon and feel an erection that is 50% better than normal. This powerful love potion works best when taken empty stomach, ideally early in the morning and before dinner, and anywhere between 2 tablespoons to 1/3 of the cup, depending on the body weight and size. The mixture of the chemicals found in the watermelon and lemon juice aids in sending more blood flow to the private area for better performance and strength. This homemade Viagra is safe and effective for people of all ages and genders.